Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to help you learn how to create a Discord server. Creating a Discord server is completely free and there are no limits to the number of users. If you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening your Discord application and sign into your account if necessary. Now from your home screen, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left corner and then tap on the plus icon in green from the left hand side. Now tap on Create My Own at the very top and you can now select whether the server is for you and your friends or for a club or a community. Tap on your choice and then upload a picture for your server. Tap on Upload button and select a picture from your phone gallery and tap on Upload from the pop-up. Once you do that, you can go ahead and change your server's name, and after everything's set, tap on Create Server. Now, enter the topic for your group, type in a topic that your group likes, and after you're done, tap on Take Me to My Server, or you can skip this step for now as well by tapping on Skip from the upper right. Let me tap on Take Me to My Server, and now you can invite people to your server by tapping on Share Link at the bottom, and then send it to one of your social networking sites in order to help your friend join in. Or you can also invite some friends by tapping on the invite button and the invitation has been sent to the contact. That is how you can easily create a server on Discord. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.